Oh, yes. The beach on? Okay. Maybe so, puto. But I don't know until I do that. Wait a minute. Oh! God damn it. Anyway. ¿Qué pasa, putos? Hola, way. So, I am very hungry all the time. Everybody know. Oh! Fuck it. Mama always tell me when burp and fart before food. Hungry burp, hungry fart. So, they just proved it right there and there, goddamn, my nigga. Homegirl and fuck. So, today is Wednesday, this hump day. So, we're getting over the hump with a little, you know. So, some people find comfort in shopping, you know, fucking, you know, drinking, you know, smoking, you know, like. Everybody know my motherfucking addiction is food, bitch. Okay. So, today we have my friends at the American Deli. Oh. Family go with ranch, bitch. Change your life. Your whole life. And then we have the Philly cheese. No hongos, puto. Okay. Hongos is mushroom. I don't do that shit. And we have extras that we call fixins in the hood. Okay? They call it extras in the foreign language over there. Extra. Okay, you see? Tomate, lechuga, cebollas, and celeria. Can't have wings without no damn celery. Who the hell? No pull. And then we have no. If you just wait, motherfucker, I'm trying to feed you. God damn, I hear you. Shit, and they do too. Shut up. Shut up. God damn. Oh, and the blue cheese. Okay. Ooh. Since y'all like creamy stuff. Oh shit. Since y'all like creamy stuff and stuff. Oh. Lord, I pray that you continue to feed the hungry all over the land, and thank you for this finances and the blessings, and thank you for this food that I'm about to crunch on in front of these folk. You know what I'm saying? Lord, you the best and never rest, and I sure appreciate that. You always looking out for me, my hungry stomach, and then everybody else out there, you know what I'm saying? They won't, you know what I'm saying, American Deli won't got dang on Chick-fil-A, got dang Popeye, got dang Longhorn, got dang over there SDK, you know what I'm saying, got damn Casino, you know, all the places, Uncle Julio's, everybody that put those, you know, everybody that wants to go and eat, you give them this straight to go and thank you, Lord, thank you, please. Everybody need appetite because we all need to. Chew, 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 chew. And the name Lord, in the Lord's name. Amen. Thank you, Julio. Also, Jesus. Okay. Let's get to the meat or the potatoes of the matter. Okay. Y'all. These fries don't need shit but a whole lot of lettuce on him. When you say extra crispy on the fly, the putos they say, okay? ¿Te gusta crispy? Okay. Make like potato chips, puto. I don't know where to start. Okay, wait. I have to try the wing. Yeah. I don't know, black folks, they play too much. This lemon pepper bullshit, y'all, it's time out for this bullshit. In the games, y'all gonna lemon pepper y'all ass to the damn grave. Sit the fuck. Oh, you see why niggas having a problem that ass? Of him? Lemon pepper everything. Lemon pepper on the turkey, on the mac and cheese, on the booty, on the ball. Might well season everything with lemon pepper. Everything you put in your mouth, might well season with lemon pepper. Your fingernails, shit. This, was American Deli's best kept secret. Time to go. I wanted to put my whole elbow in the middle like that. What I did, but time to go with the edge. There's a million wing places in fucking Atlanta. And Fulton County, period. God damn it, they can't hold American D. That means inside very happy. In here, very happy dancing. Puto. Oh. Sorry. Can't help it, goddammit. Oh God. Puto. Muévete. Oh, I haven't. I got a little smorgasbord. Oh, my bad, I probably whispering. I got a whole smorgasbord of fucking food over here. It's like an assembly line. And I get lost, so. Like a kid in candy factory. Big kid in candy factory. Oh. Very good. It's like heaven. Fixings, bitch. I mean, oh, fixings, puto. Me love onion. Cebolla. Mati about to fall out.